Fast-rising DJ Jahshii taken into custody by the police on Christmas Eve, December 24th, for allegedly performing at an event dubbed Tuff Crowd All White, held at Versatile Complex in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W 7 TV's Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links W7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Trust and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. And I just want to take this opportunity right now to use this medium just to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And I hope that the new year brings you prosperity and what you desire it to be. So coming up on the scoop for today, dancehall recording artist Jahshii taken into custody, and there's actually a video of the event itself. Tough crowd that was held at the Versatile Complex in Clarendon. As you know, the police did not grant any permit for any such staging of any event, so this would be an illegal event that was held after the government eased a restriction to 1 a.m. on Grand Market night into Christmas morning. So we're going to provide you now with the latest we have in relation to this story, and also first let us share the video that made rounds on social media about the actual event and when the police stepped in order to shut it down. Let's go over to that right now.
Police crash Jahshii performance in Clarendon.
Life sweet, coming over. Memories in the past, after replace with years in the past, I wake up as I walk 75 years right now. I never go on poverty, poverty does not go. Tough Crowd, rolling on. We stuck in the lead. Family dead.
Social media, which depicts the dancehall upcoming superstar Jahshii performing at that illegal event over there in Clarendon. So let me update you with the latest that I have in relation to this story right now. So dancehall entertainer Jahshii, real name Mluleki Tafari Clarke, was among scores taken into custody at an event in Clarendon he performed on Grand Market night. The artist, who recently came to public attention, is known for songs such as Life Lessons and COVID Freestyle. Jahshii, who recently trended on several songs on various social media platforms, came to prominence recently following a controversial remarks he made during an interview with Television Jamaica Entertainment Report, which was hosted by Anthony Miller. The police and the local government ministry had issued multiple statements indicating that no permit was granted for the hosting of any entertainment event over the holiday period. But despite that warning by the local government and the police, there were various events that was held across the country in different parishes. I can recall that I came across even a video of a shooting incident involving a party that was in full session. And it's just sad to see how the persons or the people themselves, they are not abiding by the protocols that are outlined by the government in order to restrict the spread of the COVID-19 in this pandemic time. But all I can say, I just hope that he does pull through this one. And this is not a really good look at the initial start of his musical career. Because as you know, he's an upcoming dancehall recording artist and he has been getting the buzz from local and also on international platform as well. So this is not a good look for the dancehall entertainer right now. And we have not received any reports whether or not he was charged by the police or whether or not he was released along with the scores of others that were taken into custody for allegedly attending this illegal event that was held in Clarendon. As you know, the government had eased the restriction and granted individuals a time to stay out longer on Grand Market night leading into Christmas morning, and the time that was stipulated by the government was 1 a.m. And despite that, there are a number of other events that were being hosted, even though the police had stated that there were no permits granted for the hosting of entertainment events. I saw a number of videos making rounds on social media, And even in some of them, there were violence being committed in which an individual was also shot. That's what I can't seem to understand. Whenever you give these individuals some leeway, they always extend it to a mile and beyond. And now look what happened. But I just hope that he does find a way of settling this out of court with the police, and hopefully that he is not charged with any real serious offense based on some allegations that I've heard circulating on social media. Well, this is where we're going to leave this report now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet, and become a part of the Links 007 TV family. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.